Dry brining a steak, salting it ahead of time and leaving it uncovered in the fridge leads to a juicier, more tender result, more even seasoning throughout the meat, and improved surface drying for better browning. What happens when you do the same with beef mince? Well, let's find out. So, what can we hope for? Well, first of all, there's no need for tenderization. This is already done mechanically. The exposed surface would give us very even seasoning, and with the fridge drying out the surface, much better browning. For the purpose of a meat sauce, which is what we're testing today, it wouldn't lead to juicier meat, but it ought to hold on to moisture much better, giving us better initial browning, helping us develop deeper flavors. The one theoretical drawback is texture. The already mechanically broken down proteins will be denatured by the salt, linking together and firming up. So, not overnight, unless you're making sausages, an hour or two, and we'll make a meat sauce. After 2 hours, you can see the drier surface and somewhat deeper color. The question is, do they cook and taste different? Let's find out. Same stove temperature, same amount of fat. We have a timer to see how long until soffritto. Fresh mince in. Releasing quite a bit of liquid. Not much steam coming out, bottom starting to catch. 3 minutes 58 seconds until soffritto ready. Same pan, same everything, dry brined. Let's go. We're not trying to cook the best meat sauce here, by the way. Merely looking for a setting where we don't have to keep adjusting. This is definitely firmer to touch. Temperature still dropping towards boiling point. The question is, are we releasing less moisture? Slightly harder to break apart. Could just all be in my head. Sizzling sound coming back much faster. I think we've achieved the same color as last time without the sticking to the bottom. So 2 minutes 34 seconds until soffritto ready. Faster browning. Same amount of water just to keep it clean for both. Medium heat, 1 hour. So, is there a difference in taste? That's the control. Now, the dry brined. Identical flavors, but very different chews. I wouldn't say one's more tender. The fresh brine is softer in the beginning, but has a longer lasting chew, whereas the dry brine version has a bit more of this processed meat kind of bounce in the very beginning, but dissolved quicker after you started chewing. So far it's a personal preference, but so subtle that I'm pretty sure with a 3-hour braise, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. So no, I don't recommend the salting, but I recommend the drying. So if you do have the time, spread out your mince, leave it in the fridge uncovered for an hour or two. You'll get much faster browning.